Hello everyone, this is Damon with PicSnub Software, and in this video I'm going to be discussing the presets inside of Portrait Crop. What presets do is they store all of the settings you used, that way you can quickly apply those to other images. Portrait Crop comes with a few pre-installed presets, however you'll most likely want to make your own. So first thing is I'll make a few changes here. So let's say this is the crop that you want to make for all of your images, and let's say too you want to resample that at 300 pixels per inch, and we'll just leave it at 8x10 here. So to create a preset, you just click the button to create or remove presets. I'll just call this 8x10 and save that preset. So now you see if we apply a different preset here, then we can go back into that new one we just made. And then also the settings to use at startup. You have a choice of using either the default preset or the last settings used. And if you want to always have Portrait Crop run with certain settings, you can also save a preset called 01 defaults and overwrite that preset that it came installed with. So we've got a zoom of 119 and 67 with the crop or the resample set to 300 pixels per inch. So let's just create this defaults preset here, and it is case sensitive. You have to name this 01 space defaults. And so now you'll notice that that defaults preset is now using those settings along with the resampling that we set. So I'm just going to exit out here and then rerun this and show you that it should use that defaults preset that we just made. And it did. And if you don't want to always use the same settings, if you choose last settings used, whatever you had set last when you apply, it'll use those settings. So I just exited without applying that here, and I'll show you if we go into the batch mode now, that new preset that we just made is in the batch mode, so we could batch process that preset to an entire folder of images. And when you batch process, you can also do multiple presets. So if you control and click, you can select multiple. So if you had several crops you want to make all the presets for those crops, and then you can apply all of those in batch to all of the images in your folder. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you're interested in Portrait Crop, please be sure to visit our website. That is PicSnub.com.